Here you see the JU1000, Junior 1000. It's a device with 6 fixed frequencies and 1 continuous setting. The 6 frequencies are the same as the LPOG. I'm going to turn the device on, plugging it in and turning it on. The switch is back here to turn it on and off. And you have here, seeing from here, you have, it starts with 3.5 Hertz, that's a fixed frequency setting, and you'll see the various uses of the frequency settings in the manual. Then here is 6.3 Hertz, then you have the 7.0 Hertz, 7.83, which is the famous Schumann resonance or Earth frequency, and the light always blinks at the speed of the frequency. Then 10 Hertz, which is also like the 7.83 and 10 are general purpose, and then you have 14.1, which is good for sports activities and daily activities. And the next setting turns it over to the right side. It's very slow, 0.6 Hertz roughly, and here there is no way of measuring it. You need to gauge it, and as fast as it blinks, as fast it is. And it goes slowly up here, and it goes faster and faster. When it's sort of at the brink of between being solid and still blinking, it's around 35 to 38, maybe 39 Hertz. If you look at it from with the side of the, so the side from the side of the eyes, then you see the blinking where the direct view doesn't see it anymore. And then the last few degrees here on the dial go into all the way up to about 450 Hertz. So most of the settings, of course, are for the low frequencies. And I'm turning the device now back. And it's typically it's for personal use, individual use, also for business, for money, whatever you want for personal use. It works very well with a manifestation program or with a super manifestation program. You can use it for sports, fitness and bodybuilding. It's not as flexible as, and it's not as strong as the performer is. It's a very good one to start, especially if you are more into fitness and weight loss. You can do that in conjunction with the manifestation program. And also you can use the low frequencies for autogenics, for recovery, and for plain energy. Manifestation, you have icons and so on that tell you what to do, and you can read again in the manual how to use the manifestation program. The devices with it, of course, ideal one is a transfer. It's a transfer couple. One part is on it, the other one you carry with you, and or you can carry the rectangular piece with you and put the round one on it. That's your choice, whatever you prefer. Either one works. That's the TC99 transfer couple, is very good. Then you can to make specific drinks, sports drinks or energy drinks and so on. I have one onto which you can put a cup. With water or with any other liquid, and you can energize it with the device or with the help of a structural link to one of the programs. Now you have this connected, you have the structural link to the program, and then you carry the disk with you and you set the manifestation program for specific sports activities or so to energize you. And put the glass of water on it and you carry that with you. You don't need to have it next to the machine. It can be across the ocean on another continent. This also boosts the power of the device. There's a massive amount of orgonite. You cannot even put the disk here and carry this with you. It's almost as good as a power booster, which effectively more than doubles the output. You can put that in front of it, the power booster, and again the transfer is right here. Excellent device instead of the transfer coupled power booster, and you boost the output of the equipment, especially when you work with, you leave it here, when you work on several persons simultaneously. The power booster is a great help. You run the program twice, and or on three people. I wouldn't do more than 3 here with the power booster. Without power booster, 1 person is about all it can do. So, and then another thing to use is, talking about it on some other places, is a potency booster. It's a device to boost male potency. Now, it's not a medical device, I want to say that right away. It adds energy to it, and you can check that out on the websites. There is a 1 month unconditional money back guarantee for this. Now, if you use it with the program, of course, you can with the program, of course, you have a transfer. You can set up the program to make your wishes, or what I call it, to make your abstractions permanent, or to solidify them, that something stays, and it stays also connected with the target of your operation. Maybe yourself, maybe another person. When you work on yourself, just take a transfer with you. Once you have the device, the first operations, later of course I always refer to the manual and the success strategies. The first operations to do is check out how it works, then set it onto the Earth frequency and start charging yourself. Feel the energy output, set it up, feel the energy output, and take a transfer. Forget about the manifestation program. Take a transfer either from a transfer couple or from the power booster. Put it on it. Carry this on you for about half an hour. Charge yourself for sports, for fitness, and so on. Then you can make different transfers also with this here. You can put it next to a glass, or you put a glass of water on top of it, and you can charge with it food, you can charge with it water, you can charge with it drinks, you can charge with it supplements. In fact, you can put supplements right here and just benefit of the energy without needing to take the supplements themselves. Doesn't work with minerals because the body needs physical minerals. Normal supplements, energies, for instance, some, let's say, androsten or other legal steroid-like things you can use, and that way you can boost your own energy without any side effect. Try it. That's the main thing, and you can try it with a free chikart in the beginning before you get the equipment. And you can also, if you want to boost water, you can also get in conjunction with it a CE69 and simply put it next to it. It optimizes the water, it puts the power of the JU into it and the specific energy. Then, of course, check out the different frequencies, how you react to them, then work slowly for manifestation. And first take very simple operations. Again, follow the manual, and then you can, as you get used to the equipment, you can get increasingly complex situations and use the right success strategies and work it, and it'll be a very good help to achieve whatever you like to achieve.